my channel. Today we are making dirty chai earthquake cookies. Dirty chai what? I was on the New York Times recipe site and I saw this and the title just stuck out and I said, I have to make this cookie. So it's an experiment. This cookie has all of the festive spices for the holiday season. It's loaded with ginger, cinnamon, cardamom, clove, and even black pepper. Let's start by melting our butter until it's a nutty brown. Put espresso in a small bowl, add the butter to the espresso, and stir to combine. In a separate bowl, we're going to add our flour, malted milk powder, our spices, our baking powder, salt, and yes, pepper. Stir with a whisk until combined. In our mixing bowl, we're going to add our eggs and our brown sugar. Mix on medium speed for about 3 minutes. Next, add the butter mixture and vanilla and mix on low speed until combined. Add the flour mixture and mix again. Cover and chill for 2 hours. Our cookie dough for our dirty chai earthquake cookies, I love saying that name. I just love that. It's been in the refrigerator for about 2 hours, and I'm gonna take heaping tablespoons basically of our cookie dough, and I'm going to place them on a parchment lined baking sheet. I'm going to take each one of these and roll them so that they're nice and smooth like this. I've already done the first 4, but I want them to look like this. So we're just gonna roll them in our hands like this so that they are nice and smooth. Now what we're going to do is we're going to take our rolled dough and we're going to dip it in granulated sugar. Then we're going to take it and we're going to roll it around into some confectioner sugar like that. Now that we've rolled these little spice bombs in 2 sugars, off to the freezer we go for about 10 minutes before we pop these into the oven. Now that our cookie dough has chilled in the freezer for about 10 minutes, I'm gonna get these into the oven right away at 350 for about 12 to 14 minutes. I'm actually pleased with how they turned out. Almost. Some of these didn't get as much powdered sugar as the others, and I want to make them a little bit more uniform. So I'm just going to sprinkle some powdered sugar. I guess operator error. But I want them to be a little bit more uniform so they all kind of look the same somewhat. So I'm just going to give some of them a little extra dousing of powdered sugar. Perfect. All right, I have my taste tester.
Ready?
I think so, but remember, this was an experiment. I've never made these cookies before. And
I can't see you. I got a cookie in my eye.
But now you're going to eat it. That's disgusting. Can we just taste this to see if it was worth the effort? Wow.
I like the texture.
So it's crispy around the edges and it's very cake-like, and it has a nice little crust of sugar. That would be the...
I'm sugar in the bottom.
But it's a little crusty on the outside, around the edges, and then...
I barely get any coffee out of this.
Oh, I got coffee. Yep, coffee.
I get it more when I smell it than I do when I taste it.
Well, your taste buds are different than mine. But I get coffee and black pepper. Remember we added black pepper to this, and that really gives it quite a zing. So this is a really good spice cookie, I would say.
Well, I touched it. I have to eat it now.
Yes, you do. These are really good. Well, thanks for watching, everyone. I think experiment successful with these dirty chai earthquake cookies. Earthquake meaning an explosion of flavor with all the spices and the black pepper. So good. If you like this video, please hit the thumbs up, hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on any videos. See you next time.